So the most commonly asked question in the group at the moment that is causing frustration is, where is the layers icon? Here is what to do. So over here on the right, you would normally see this little size icon. So it's like two squares of toast, one on top of the other. If that is not there, it's easy to find it. Just go up to the top menu, click View, go down to Show and Hide, then select Side Panels, and I think on some it might say Navigation Panels, and then go down to Layers, and you want that to have a tick beside it. I hope that has helped. If you're new to digital sewing patterns and haven't used the Layers function before, keep watching and I'll give you a quick little overview. So for those who haven't used a digital pattern before, when you open up a digital sewing pattern, you will see all the sizes there at once. And that can be a little bit overwhelming. And this is where the layers icon comes in. So the layers icon enables you to just select the sizes that you want. It has this cute little eye, and you click all the ones that you don't want off. All the sizes that you don't want disappear. And it makes the whole thing much less overwhelming, especially if you are new to this. Plus, using the layers icon means you use far less ink. On our website, we have an in-depth how-to on what the layers are for and how to find them and how to use them. I'll pop a link down below.